How to send large videos on Gmail. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can send large videos on Gmail. So without further delays, let's get started with this video. So here on Gmail limits direct attachments to 25 MB, but you can still send large videos on Gmail through the Google Drive link. So for that, first of all, you have to open up your drive in your device. And here you can upload the video. Make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom right and here tap on upload. Now here you can upload your preferred video that you would like to share in Gmail. Wait for a while until your file gets uploaded to your Google Drive. Now once the upload is complete, you have to tap on the three dot icon next to the video and here tap on copy link. So once you have copied the link to your video that you had uploaded recently, now you can head back to Gmail. And here type in the recipient name. Now under this body section, all you have to do is paste the link that you have copied recently. So this is your drive link where you have your video on. Now you can share this link, and in this way you can share large videos on Gmail through the Google Drive link. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.